Hold on, hold on. What I want to see is a DC Villains edition. I want to see a fat penguin. 300. I'm sure someone was watching the wrong movie. It's at 27.7 lakhs. Seriously, what was they thinking?
हेलो बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स वेलकम टू माय चैनल आजकल यही बोलते हैं सब
हाँ ये बोलते हैं.
यही बोलते हैं ठीक है ओके
चैनल का नाम भी बोल सकते हो.
वो भी बोलते. बोल मत. Like and subscribe.
वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्टूडेंट चिप्स डू लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब
लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब.
लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब पर वीडियो शुरू करते हैं I've got with me my good friends Bert. Hi Bert.
Hello. I said.
And you already know our good friend Zaddy Vicky.
Hi.
Zaddy Vicky. So we are adding one more Zaddy to the group. That is Bert. Welcome Bert. Why aren't you wearing black?
I operate in grey spaces.
Gray spaces. So that is where we're going to get like Bert's opinion on the car that we're going to talk about, which is the BE6 Batman Edition. Bert, I'm going to come to you, Vikram. But first, I want to ask Bert. Bert gave me a crash course on the BE6 when I came back.
Okay.
Right? Very recently. We can't talk about it. Right? And I think
You can't talk about where.
we can't talk about anything. But BE6 was a fantastic car. I was pleasantly surprised. Are you surprised by the Batman edition?
I am surprised by the fact that they managed to get this whole thing going with DC or whoever owns the rights. I'm not sure who they got the rights from.
Warner
Brothers. Okay, in that case, I was half expecting Mr. Batman himself, Christian Bale, to get out of the car, or Nolan to be directing the whole thing. I don't know who's behind the scenes and doing this whole, this thing. I was expecting to see Gotham. I was expecting to see the Batcave over here.
But we got.
But there are so many.
We got John Abraham.
You got Indian
But,
Batman.
yeah, I know. We had to settle for Indian Batman. I mean, Bite Man. I told someone Bite Man, and they all stepped inside the car.
Batman Bhau. So yeah, tell me three things that you really liked on the design on the BE6. Batman edition.
13 logo placements all across the car. Fantastic. Karol Bagh decals on the sides, on the fender door, the stickering, whatever that Batman thing is. Absolutely brilliant. And I think that light effect on the sunroof, on the what is that roof thing, I think that's pretty cool. Yeah.
What about you, Vikram? What did you find cool on the BE6 Batman edition?
I'll agree with Bertie that the light on top of the roof is kind of cool. The puddle light again gives you the whole Batman feel. And the third is the Alchemy Gold plaque inside. That gives you the edition number.
You know what I wish they'd done
Yeah.
to make it really cool was to have put a beacon into
Yes.
the sky. I think that would have rocked it.
But you mentioned
completely,
Karol
bro.
Bagh. They'll flip them.
Idea. हम भी design development कर सकते हैं.
And that is what happens when Zaddies meet. Great, guys, great. Tell me something. Where do you think Mahindra is going after the BE6 Batman edition? Do you think we're going to see more Warner Brothers stuff? Bertie, you've been you've been in the industry for a very long time, right? You've seen this stuff happen, collabs happen a lot of time. Where do you think this is going?
I'm hoping to see a Wonder Woman edition. So you get, massage seats in addition to the ventilated seats. So
It's so funny.
49 years.
And there you go. Final question to both of you. Okay, just 300 of these, right? And very limited, very limited.
Yeah.
Is it too little by Mahindra? And the price, it's a very competitive price. Do you think the price is going to go up? Start with Vikram.
I think when you're doing limited editions, you want to keep it limited, right? So 300 is actually, I think, a decent amount. Of course, if you are a true collector out there, we've discussed this, you want to get either 1 to 10 or you want to get number 300, right? The ones in the middle, okay, they might hold a little value over there, but it's these ones that are actually key when it comes to limited edition vehicles.
What about you?
300. I'm sure someone was watching the wrong movie. And but it's not the 300 that that kind of is the key here. It's at 27.7 lakhs. Seriously, what were they thinking? And they had to sell this for 50. I'm sure people would have picked it up tomorrow. Why downplay that price? If you're going to do a special edition, price it so that someone feels like really special and they bought something really unique. 27.7 lakhs, probably Mahindra might make 300 more of this.
Batman, The Dark Knight, The Dark Knight Returns. That's the number plates I want.
And on that note, we have given so many ideas to people who will be buying this. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining.
Acha. Hold on. What I want to see is a DC Villains edition.
Ah.
I want to see a fat penguin. And I want to see a hilarious Joker.
That is something we'll leave it to the rivals of Mahindra to design.
Absolutely. I mean, that's the riddle for the day. I mean, the Riddler. There's so much more character with those guys. Yeah, there's so much more class. Batman villains. There's so much
Joker,
nicer.
yeah.
Joker. You know, the Joker at the back. I mean, it'd be awesome if they could actually do something like that. Why can't someone make a bad car?
It's a TV, but you toss a coin and it becomes an ice.
And I think this discussion will go.
Arnold Schwarzenegger. No.
This discussion will go anywhere right now. I think it's time for us to go. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining me over here. Please like, share, subscribe, follow Bert. I'm going to drop his Instagram handle on my channel over there. Follow Vikram. He's going to drop his Instagram handle over here as well. And that is it from us. और कुछ रह गया बोलने को?
Yeah. I'm the Batman.
You're also Batman.
I'm the Batman.
You're the Batman. Okay, great man.
Doing the Christopher Nolan style, man. The full Christian Bale style.
And